Feeling nervous about confessing your feelings to that special girl is completely normal. To ease into it, start by offering genuine compliments about her outfit or sense of humor, and pay attention to her reactions. Smiles and laughter are promising signs. If you're ready to express your feelings, consider setting a personal deadline to hold yourself accountable. Choose a relaxed setting to talk, whether it's a walk in the park or a casual text conversation, and avoid framing it as a serious discussion to prevent scaring her off. You might say something like, "I really like you, and I would love to take you out sometime." Regardless of her response, it's important to stay respectful of her feelings and maintain your friendship if things don't go as hoped. After all, sharing your feelings can be a positive step, whether it leads to a date or simply deepens your connection.